Let's talk about something that no one tells you. Why do so many people fail when getting into cybersecurity? It's not because they're not smart enough or that there's a lack of jobs out there. The truth is, most people make mistakes that they can actually rectify. If you are serious about your career, these are the pitfalls to avoid. Reason number one, and this one is huge, you lack focus. Cybersecurity is a massive field, and most beginners try to learn everything at once. Coding, hacking, frameworks, tools. But here's the thing, trying to do all of this at the same time can be extremely overwhelming. Instead, focus on one area, like GRC or SOC analysis, and master the basics there first. Reason number two, they skip the foundational skills. Jumping straight into advanced certifications or trying to learn penetration testing in one day is a common mistake. Employers are looking for people who understand the fundamentals, like risk management, compliance, or basic threat analysis. Without this foundation, you will struggle to stand out. Reason number three, they don't get hands-on experience. You can watch 100 videos or read all the blogs, but if you don't gain the practical experience you need, you'll never build up the confidence to actually start applying for jobs. Labs, simulations, and even small projects can help you build up the competence you need to land a job in cybersecurity. For example, set up a mock compliance framework or practice monitoring network traffic with tools like Wireshark. Reason number four, they ignore soft skills. Cybersecurity isn't all about technical knowledge. Communication, problem solving, networking are just as important as GRC knowledge. If you can't explain your ideas clearly or work well with others, it really doesn't matter what type of certifications you have. Reason number five, you don't stay consistent. Here's the harsh truth. Most beginners give up too soon. They take one course, they apply for a few jobs, and when they don't hear back, they end up quitting. But cybersecurity isn't about instant results. It's about showing up every day, building your skills, and staying consistent. Reason six, they don't seek help. Many people try to figure out everything on their own, but this field is full of communities and mentors that are looking to help you out. Joining a program, connecting with professionals, and participating in online forums can dramatically change the course of your life. Now here's the good news. You don't have to make these mistakes. Start with a clear focus, build up your foundations, and get hands-on experience. Commit to learning consistently and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Cybersecurity is the most rewarding and lucrative career out there, but only if you approach it the right way. Are you ready to make the leap? Click the link down below and register to our weekly newsletter, and we'll send you the tips, strategies, and resources that you need to get started in cybersecurity.